Until now, when a sheriff's deputy or a police officer shot and killed someone while on the job, the department that person worked for did the shooting investigation. No more. Now, the San Diego Police Department will do the investigation for deputy-involved shootings. The opposite is true if a San Diego officer is involved in a deadly shooting. All other officer-involved shootings will be handled by the Sheriff's Department. And if both the Sheriff's Department and SDPD are involved in a deadly shooting, Chula Vista Police will conduct the investigation.
The way I found out was I was driving home and I was listening to KPBS.
We learned today that neither the CLRB, the Citizens Law Enforcement Review Board, which oversees deadly shootings involving sheriff's deputies, or its counterpart, the CPP, the Commission on Police Practices, which does the same thing with San Diego police shootings, were notified of the new protocol. CPP Chairman Brandon Hilpert says he was shocked. He had no idea the change was coming.
And we have usually quarterly meetings with the chief of police and his staff. And not once have they even given us a heads up that this was coming.
And Yusef Miller with the North County Equity and Justice Coalition told KPBS Midday Edition that the change doesn't go nearly far enough.
We need non-law enforcement affiliated organizations to investigate law enforcement. We anticipate the same results if law enforcement, no matter sheriff or police department, when they investigate themselves.
Under Sheriff Kelly Martinez says the move is meant to increase transparency and to build trust with the public, and she rejects the view of Miller and others that police agencies should not be investigating other police agencies. She says the departments are all independent and that no department will have influence over another when it comes to investigations. As for the lack of notification of either the CLRB or the CPP, we contacted both the Sheriff's Department and San Diego PD for a response. The Sheriff's Department sent us an email saying in part that the recent MOU, Memorandum of Understanding, between law enforcement agencies is completely separate from the MOU between sheriffs and CLRB. We didn't get a reply from the San Diego Police Department.
We're not happy with the fact that they chose to sideline the Commission on Police Practices and keep us out of the loop on this.
Hilpert says he's hoping to meet with Chief David Nislight to figure out how the change will impact their investigations because, he says now, they just don't have any details. John Carroll, KPBS News.